Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Tramway Bridge Project Preston. This video has been filmed over the period of around 6 weeks from the beginning of September. So in this video today we're going to be looking at progress being made. We're going to be looking at what problems have been caused by some inclement weather during September. And we're going to be looking at the new bridge supports and the actual bridge decking that has now been delivered. So starting at the beginning of September, this was filmed on September the 1st. See, there's quite a bit of shuttering going round where they're going to put the concrete in the foundations. I'm just flying north to south now, so you can see the other retaining beam is already established in the river there. Just getting an overall now of the site compound. See, not a lot of machinery on site at this stage. Then moving on to mid-September, this was filmed on the 14th. Now, they had some quite heavy rain around that period, and it actually washed the walkway away. As you can see there, it's not only just come away from the securing bits alongside the new foundations, it did actually split, end up in a few separate pieces further down the ribble. And it was around this period that this large crane appeared on site also. This was filmed on the 21st of September, so as you can see, the current of the water still pretty strong, and at that stage they hadn't been able to recover the walkway. And this is looking into the northern foundation. As you can see, quite a lot of the shuttering already established there for when they do pour the concrete. Then looking a lot better a week later, this was filmed on the 28th. You can see they've managed to recover the walkway. They've also managed to get some substantial sandbags, I think they are, around that northern foundation. There's also quite a bit of the internal metalwork for the northern foundation in place also. And this was filmed on the 12th of October. So just looking at the northern foundation, it looks like the concrete pour has actually been done on that now. And the same on the southern end. Looks like the concrete pours have been completed on all the foundations. And the first of the new bridge sections is actually on site. As far as I'm aware, the other parts are still in fabrication at the moment, and they will be delivered on site over the next few weeks, months. And a quick overview of the site compound. You can see the crane has now gone. And that's it for this video. Obviously, I'm going to keep an eye on the project, so if you can, like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.